Hello and welcome to our video on what's inside the Earth. The Earth is a fascinating planet, and despite our many advances in science and technology, there's still so much we don't know about what's hidden deep beneath the surface. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what lies inside the Earth, and explore some of the latest research and discoveries in this field. The Earth's layers. To understand what's inside the Earth, we first need to take a closer look at its layers. The Earth can be divided into four main layers: the crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. Each of these layers is made up of different materials and has unique properties that affect how the Earth behaves and evolves over time. The crust. The crust is the outermost layer of the Earth and is made up of solid rock. It's the layer that we live on, and it's also where most of our natural resources are found. In this section, we'll explore the different types of crust and how they're formed, as well as some of the key features of the Earth's surface, such as mountains, volcanoes, and earthquakes. The mantle. Beneath the crust lies the mantle, which is the largest layer of the Earth. It's made up of semi-solid rock and is responsible for many of the Earth's geological processes, such as plate tectonics and volcanic activity. We'll take a closer look at how the mantle works and some of the latest research on this fascinating layer of the Earth. The core. At the center of the Earth lies the core, which is divided into two main parts: the outer core and the inner core. The outer core is made up of liquid iron and is responsible for generating the Earth's magnetic field. The inner core, on the other hand, is solid iron and is the hottest and most dense part of the Earth. We'll explore what we know about these layers and how they contribute to the Earth's overall structure and behavior. The importance of studying the Earth's interior. Understanding what's inside the Earth is not just fascinating, it's also crucial for many aspects of modern life. For example, knowledge of the Earth's interior is critical for predicting and mitigating natural disasters such as earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. It also plays a key role in the exploration and exploitation of natural resources such as minerals, oil, and gas. In this section, we'll explore the various applications of studying the Earth's interior, and the impact it can have on society as a whole. Now, it's time to answer some of your questions. We'll take some of the most common questions and concerns from our audience and address them in this section. From "How do we know what's inside the Earth?" to "What is the biggest earthquake ever recorded?" We'll do our best to answer your burning questions. Thank you for watching our video on what's inside the Earth. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the hidden depths of our planet, and we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on science, technology, and the world around us. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below to let us know what you think. Until next time, stay curious.